Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To pop open the hood, down here on the left is a little lever that has a hood on it in a car. Just pull on that lever, pop the hood. There's a fuse box located right here. There's two lock tabs right here and right here. Push on those. Try to push it up a little bit, and then there's a lock tab on this side as well. Push down on that. It's a little tricky. You gotta kind of wiggle it a little bit. Pull this cover off. There is a key on the back side that explains what fuse is where. The fuses are located down in here. Obviously, you can't get to them from there, so what you need to do is take a flat blade tool with a screwdriver, and there's a little lock right here. Pry it out, lift up on this module, and pry this one out. Wiggle it a little bit. Pull this module straight up, out of your way. These fuses on the back of here, as well as the access, the fuses right there. To reinstall this fuse box module, you can just get it lined up. Slide it back down, lock it in place, and put the wires in their proper location. I'll take the cover, slide it over, and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.